Which mid-size table tennis game set is actually worth your money? It's a simple question, but you need to dig a bit to find the real gems. Today, we're uncovering the top picks that fit your gameplay needs without taking over your living space. Product number 1, Go Sports Midsize Table Tennis Set Blue. First up is the Go Sports Midsize Table Tennis Game Set in Blue, priced at $159.99. This caught my attention with its vibrant color and solid reputation, boasting 4.5 stars from over 5,700 reviews. If you want a reliable and portable table tennis experience, this is worth a serious look. Now here's why this table tennis set stands out. It features a 6ft x 3ft surface, which is ample enough for competitive play but compact enough for easy storage. The heavy-duty aluminum frame ensures durability without excessive weight, making it easy to set up and take down in seconds. With a smooth playing surface, you can expect excellent bounce during your rallies. This set has sold over 500 units in the last month alone, showing it's a popular choice for good reason. However, some users have mentioned that the table can wobble a bit during intense play. Here's the thing though, unless you're a professional player, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It still holds up well for casual games. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable set for family gatherings or game nights. Skip this one if you're looking for a permanent installation, as it's designed for portability. Considering the quality and features, it's a solid investment for fun times. Now, if the price of the Go Sports set concerns you, the next option offers a more budget-friendly approach without compromising too much on quality. Product number 2, Go Sports Midsize Table Tennis Set Red. Next up is the Go Sports Midsize Table Tennis Game Set in Red, retailing for $143.99. Like its blue counterpart, it also has a 4.5-star rating from thousands of users, highlighting a solid performance. If you want a reliable game set but prefer a different color, this one's definitely worth considering. This table shares many features with the blue version, including the same compact 6ft x 3ft size, making it convenient for storage and transport. The aluminum frame is sturdy yet lightweight, perfect for those who want to bring the fun to different locations. It comes with 2 paddles, 4 balls, and a net for an all-in-one experience. The smooth surface guarantees that you're not just playing but enjoying every match. However, some players pointed out that the paddles could be improved for better grip. I'll be honest, if you're looking for high-end paddles, you might want to invest in separate ones. But for casual play, it's really not a huge issue. This is a great choice for families or friends looking to enjoy table tennis without the hassle of a full-size table. But if you need something designed for competitive-level play, you might want to look elsewhere. The value at this price point is commendable, especially for social play. Now, if the Go Sports sets seem like they might be too much for your needs, the next product is an excellent portable alternative. Product number 3, Pro Spin Portable Ping Pong Set. The Pro Spin Portable Ping Pong Set is up next, priced at just $44.99. This caught my eye with its promise to turn any table into a ping pong arena. With a 4.7-star rating and over 6,700 reviews, this set is clearly a fan favorite. If you want a flexible option that travels well, this is a must-see. What makes this set really shine is its retractable net that fits securely onto tables up to 72 inches wide. It's perfect for impromptu matches, whether you're at home or out with friends. The paddles are made from solid wood with a responsive sponge, providing a comfortable grip and better control, which is essential for enjoying the game. Plus, it comes with a zip-up case for easy storage, making it a great choice for family gatherings. That said, there are some complaints about the net not being robust enough for aggressive play. Here's my take. If you're looking for a casual experience, this shouldn't deter you. It's designed for fun, not professional tournaments. This is ideal for those who love spontaneous games or have limited space. However, skip this if you're a serious player seeking professional-grade equipment. For the price, it offers fantastic value and a fun way to engage with family and friends. Now, if that was too portable for your taste, the next product might offer a more traditional experience. Product number 4, FBSPORT Ping Pong Paddle Set. Next, we have the FBSPORT Ping Pong paddle set priced at an impressive $19.99. This caught my attention because it offers a great entry point for newcomers to the sport. With a solid 4.6-star rating from 3,000 reviews, it's a favorite among casual players. If you're just getting into table tennis, this is a fantastic choice. This set includes a retractable net that can extend to 5.25 feet, making it easy to set up on any tabletop. It comes with 2 paddles and 6 ping pong balls, giving you everything you need for a quick game. The paddles feature solid wood construction that improves your spin and control, which can make a big difference for beginners learning the ropes. However, some users noted that the quality of the paddles might not hold up under heavy use. Honestly, if you're planning on playing a lot, you may want to invest in higher quality paddles down the line. But for casual play, this set offers great value. This is perfect for families or casual players wanting to have some fun together. Skip it if you're looking for professional-grade equipment, as this set is tailored more for laid-back play. For under $20, it's hard to beat the value. Now, if you're looking for something to kick off your game nights with friends, the final product is a solid addition. Product number 5, Franklin Sports Ping Pong Paddle Set. Finally, we have the Franklin Sports Ping Pong Paddle Set priced at just $11.10. This budget-friendly option caught my eye because it delivers great value for those just starting out. It has a 4.6-star rating from over 5,700 reviews, making it a solid choice for new players. If you want to introduce table tennis to your family without breaking the bank, this is worth a look. This kit includes 2 paddles and 3 balls, making it the perfect starter pack for casual play. The pebbled rubber paddle faces allow for good spin while still maintaining speed, which is essential for control. The 5-ply wooden handle is comfortable to hold, making it user-friendly for all ages. It's really designed to get everyone involved in the fun. On the downside, some reviews mention that the paddles might be too basic for competitive players. Here's the thing, if you're not looking to compete and just want to enjoy some games with family, this kit does the job just fine. This is perfect for anyone who wants an affordable way to start playing table tennis. Skip it if you're an experienced player needing high-quality gear. This set is really for those just entering the sport. For the price, it's a fantastic value to get everyone involved. To wrap it all up, we explored some fantastic mid-size table tennis sets today. Whether you're looking for the Go Sports options for a solid balance of quality and portability, the Pro Spin for flexibility, the FBSPORT for casual play, or the Franklin Sports set for budget-friendly fun, there's something here for everyone. Choose what fits your needs best and get ready to enjoy some friendly competition.